Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add videos to playlist on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead and access your YouTube app on your mobile phone, and let's go back to the home screen to show all the steps accordingly. Once you simply find a particular video that you would like to your playlist, you can tap on this option of save, which is given in the bottom. Once you do so, you can simply tap on this change first. So now you can see we have created playlist of ours, which are 3. We can simply choose to add in any of them by simply choosing this to toggle them and removing from another one. Once we're done, we can tap on this option of done, and now that video is simply added to our playlist. And if you want to check it out, we can go back. Now go to here view section, and now you can see we have the playlist that we just added that song to. And if we scroll, we will be able to check out that particular video is simply there that we have just added. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.